Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Copilot to edit pictures on PC. So open up any browser on your PC and then log into Copilot. So go to Copilot and log into your Copilot account. You can either use your Microsoft or Google account to log in. So once you're on your account here, logged into Copilot here, so what we need to do is simply you're going to click on these message chat box option here. Either you can click on this plus icon here to upload a document, so click on upload here, simply click on upload, and then from here open up the image that you wish to edit. So just locate the image that you wish to edit. Okay, so for example here I'll just use this image here, click on open. Okay, so upload the image and then type in the prompt what you want to, how do you want to edit this. So for example here, add another kitten next to this cat in the image. So just type in whatever, how do you want to edit this, just give proper clear prompts on how do you want to edit this, and then hit on the send option, and this will now edit the photo for you based on your prompt. And there you go. So Copilot has now edited the image as per my prompt. So a new kitten has been added. So that's how now been edited. So if I click on the image now, it opens up, and then here you have the download option. If you want to save it, you can click on this download option to download the image. Click on it and you're able to download it. And that's basically pretty much it is.